Hey guys, Zoe here. This tutorial is about Christmas countdown. For this video I used different effects and transitions. Also mirror effect is greatly used. I will show you how you can use same picture in different styles in a video. So let's start by importing the background I got from Canva templates. Start adding text for countdown. For this countdown I selected Sigmar font style. To give this text unique look, I used two font styles to overlap and give a font glowing effect. After that I used animation style for the countdown to be wavy by selecting loop and full range wave effect. Give same range animation to both texts and keep adding countdown in reverse count. Now to give it a vintage look I used two video effects on this background. First 90 seconds effect from retro and then dark night from the dark effect. Now start the second part of the video by adding Christmas tree pictures. To edit this part of video I used several copies of the same Christmas tree picture and used mirror effect on every alternate picture. As you will keep copying the same picture, the animation effect will also be copied, but you have to change it for alternative pictures. Like for first picture I used wave and slide effect. Give black flash video effect to some of the clip. For this clip I used zoom out animation. For this clip I used saw out. Use combination of animation effects to each picture. Add animatio zoom in here. For this clip I also used style effect called camera bounce. I added blink transitions. Add animations to the rest of the pictures. Add video effect flickers to these clips. Repeat same steps of copying, adding mirror effect and animations to each picture. For this last clip I used video effect called rolling film. Make two splits from this last picture and give it animation effect of zoom to and zoom out from the in section. Use keyframes to give extreme zoom effect. Adjust its position and you are done. Export now.